Lesson 130, Prepositions. Soon we will begin to work with prepositions in Russian. But before we do that, we'd like to take a moment to talk about prepositions in general, using English examples just to help you understand what prepositions are and what they do. The easiest way to explain a preposition is probably just to show you some examples of them. My simple definition for a preposition is that it is a word that shows a relationship between two nouns. The absolute simplest way that I explain it is that it shows a physical relationship between two nouns. That's oversimplifying it, I know. However, it's just a good, easy way to help people start working with them, especially people who may not have studied grammar before, people who perhaps may not have ever studied a language before. So let's take a look at this example sentence. The bicycle is inside the garage. The word inside is a preposition. It's showing, in this case, a physical relationship between two nouns. The bicycle is a noun. The garage is a noun. The word inside shows us how those two nouns are positioned in relationship to each other, how they are arranged, where one thing is in relation to the other thing. And that's really the nature of a preposition, is you're using one thing to say where some other thing is. You're using one thing as a point of reference. So when you say the bicycle is inside the garage, you're assuming that the person you're talking to knows where the garage is, and so you can use that as a point of reference. So then you can tell the location of the bicycle in relation to or relative to the location of the garage. And so we have a couple of grammatical terms to know. One term is, well, we've already talked about it, the word preposition. The other term to know is the object of the preposition. The object of the preposition, that's the thing that you're using as a point of reference. For example, inside the garage, the word inside is the preposition, and then garage is what we call the object of the preposition. Actually, one other term to know is the term prepositional phrase. When you take the preposition and then the object of the preposition and you put those two words together, what you have is a prepositional phrase. So inside the garage, that little word grouping there is a prepositional phrase. It's comprised of a preposition and the object of the preposition. Together, they form a prepositional phrase. So that's the recipe for a prepositional phrase, preposition plus object of the preposition. So let's look at these exercises and let's get some practice working with prepositions and all the new terms we just learned. So in number 1, your book fell behind the couch. The word behind is a preposition. The word couch is the object of the preposition. That's the thing that you're using as a point of reference. Altogether, the little phrase, behind the couch, is a prepositional phrase. It's comprised of a preposition and the object of the preposition. Number 2, just put that plant beside the lamp. The word beside is a preposition. Lamp is the object of the preposition. Together, the little phrase, beside the lamp, is a prepositional phrase. It's comprised of a preposition and the object of the preposition. Number 3, in the trunk, the word in is a preposition, trunk is the object of the preposition, and the phrase in the trunk is a prepositional phrase. In number 4, through the tunnel is a prepositional phrase. Through is the preposition, tunnel is the object of the preposition. In number 5, under the house is a prepositional phrase. Under is a preposition, and the word house is the object of the preposition. In number 6, we see that prepositions can refer to more than just merely space. They can also refer to abstract things like time. For example, here we have the prepositional phrase before lunch. The word before is a preposition. Lunch is the object of the preposition. Together they form a prepositional phrase. But it's not talking about space or location. It's talking about a relationship that involves time. So prepositions can do more than just show location. They can also show other kinds of relationships. Same thing in number 7, after school. The word after is a preposition. School is the object of the preposition. Again, this is showing a time relationship, showing us that prepositions can do more than just show a spatial relationship or a location relationship. Number 8, by the post office is a prepositional phrase. The word by is a preposition, and then the post office is the object of the preposition. Number 9, on campus is a prepositional phrase. On is a preposition. Campus is the object of the preposition. In number 10, beyond that mountain, the word beyond is a preposition. Mountain is the object of the preposition. So if you take the word beyond and the word mountain, those two words together form a prepositional phrase.